Hello students, my name is Sandeep Kumar Saini. I am here to teach you audio video systems. As you are all in fifth semester electronics students, in this semester we are discussing about your working of televisions, different type of televisions, LED, LCD, plasma televisions. Uh, this type of working are discussed in this subjects. And this subject is totally dependent upon your consumers appliances, just like your TVs and your satellite communication system, or the broadcasting of a particular match, how they broadcast and how the signals you from in your satellite received from your satellites and your DTS system, how it's work. They all are our totally today lectures totally depend upon journal PPT of your audio video systems. First of all, I share your PPT so you can easily understand and the subject contents and what we are studied in this semesters. Uh, I'm sharing your PPT. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. I show the general PPT of audio video system. Uh, First of all, what is our objective and why we are teaching your audio video system. In audio video system, we discuss about audio systems, CD systems, television, both and monochrome or color television. Monochrome means your black and white television. Your LEDs, LCDs, DTH networks, cable TV networks, we all are discussing in this chapter. And this part is very important for electronic students, so because this is totally depend upon consumer items which we are using in our uh, workplace or our homes, just like your demonstrator or your CCD cameras, we are studying in this part. In first chapter, we discuss about microphones and loudspeaker. Different type of microphones and loudspeakers. जैसे for example, microphone, carbon microphone है, moving coil microphone, or your ribbon microphone. And for example, your loudspeaker is multi-way speaker, horn speaker, which we are using in our rallies or in top of our gurdwaras or mandirs. You all are sees the horn loudspeaker. The function of horn loudspeaker is used to transmit the audio signal to long distance, and function of a microphone is you convert the audio signal into electrical signal. As we are using this microphone, this is your microphone, and this is the function of this microphone is used to convert my audio signal into electrical signal, and after that processing is going on. And the function of loudspeaker is opposite to your microphone, and loudspeaker function is used to convert the electrical signal to audio signal. In first chapter, we'll discuss all type of microphones and loudspeakers. There are multi-type, multi-way loudspeaker also is there. Multi-way loudspeaker is in which there are all three type of loudspeaker are present, just like tweeter, boofer, and mid-range. So each speaker have their different frequencies. For example, tweeter get high frequencies, and your boofer have low frequencies, mid-range have your audio frequencies. So the proper signals are received from multi-way speakers and gain are constant in that part. In second chapter is digital audio fundamentals. In digital audio fundamental, discuss about digital audio processing, how it process, and compression and expanding. Compressor and expanding is used when we want to transmit a signal from transmitter to receiver, less bandwidth at the receiver, and we expand the signal so proper signal is received, and how the signal is transferred, how analog signal converted into digital signal, how audio signal as used as a data signals, and how audio signal converted into digital signal we are studied in digital audio fundamental chapters. That is your second chapter. Next chapter is your television chapter. In television chapter, their parts are there divided into parts. First is your monochrome television. Second is your color television. Monochrome television is your basic television, that is your black and white television. In black and white television, we will discuss about the element of communication system. Element of communication system. In element of communication system, we are studied their resonance and size of display and ratio we are what is using. For example, in theaters we are using 3:4, and all television are made by 3:4. After that, what is scanning and its needs? Scanning is your displays scan from your left to right and top to bottom. There are two types of scanning. There is horizontal scanning and vertical scanning. How number of scanning lines are used in PAL systems, how India use televisions, and how much scanning line used in India or in foreign, in abroad, and different states, different countries use their own standards. In India, their PAL system use PAL is face alternative lines system is used. With the help of PAL system, in India, the television formed. In abroad, there are different systems just as NTSC, CCAMs that are used. In this chapter, we have studied element of TV timing system and scanning its needs, need of synchronization, blending bulbs. Synchronization means that our audio signal and video signal both are synced. Both are synced means both are terms in same time. In the previous years, there are some videos formed have their audio and video are not synced. Their videos come first and audio comes late. To remove that problem, the synchronization is used, and blending pulse is used to erase the synchronization pulse. When we study this chapter, you are familiar to all these terms. Next is composed video signals. Composed video signals in which we have synchronization signal, blending signal, and image signal. So at the transmitter, when we see the recording, there are CRO at where the composed video signal are formed. With the help of composed video signal, the transmitting engineer, our sound engineer, which are observed that the signal which we want to transmit that uh, fulfill to transmit, and at the receiver end there is no error. Next is color television. In color television, we have studied that different primary colors, secondary colors. As we know that there are three primary colors: the RGB, that is red, green, and blue. This is your primary color. Secondary colors is those colors which are formed with the help of primary colors. Next is color mixing. How the color is mixed. There are two types: addition of colors and suppression of colors. There are two types of color mixing. दो कलर्स को मिलाने को भी हम मिक्सिंग बोल देते हैं, एक कलर में से दूसरे कलर को निकालने को भी हम मिक्सिंग बोलते हैं. हमारे पास एक कलर से किस तरीके से निकाला जाता है, तो उस चीज को हम स्टडी करेंगे इसके अंदर. नेक्स्ट पार्ट हमारे पास क्या है, कलर ट्रायंगल. कि जैसे हमारी कलर मिक्सिंग फॉर्म हुई है और उसके हिसाब से हमारे पास एक कलर डायग्राम फॉर्म होता है, कलर ट्रायंगल. विद द हेल्प ऑफ कलर ट्रायंगल वी अंडरस्टैंड दैट विच पॉइंट नॉट विच with the help of our primary color RGB, our secondary colors are formed, and when we combine a particular ratio, red, green, blue, then the white color is formed. After that, camera tubes. Camera tubes is your transmitter side. Camera tubes is your transmitter side when we want to transmit the video signal. The two type of cameras are formed in your slavers, that is your Vidicon and Plumbidon cameras. How it's work and different grids are used in camera tools, which we are studying in this topic. Next is PAL TV receiver. As we already discussed, in India we are using PAL system, so we have to discuss or learn your PAL TV receiver and how it's function. And next is your brief description about NTSC, PAL, and SECAM. This is part of your color television. Maximum part has come from color television and black and white television. This is most important chapter of your syllabus. Next chapter is your digital video compression techniques. How video is compressed. In starting, we will discuss why we compress is used, because in whole world we are all running in same part, that is we have to save our bandwidth. To save the bandwidth we have to compress the signals. um, that is why we have to compress the signal and different format how to compress the signals, which we are studied in this chapter. At transmitter side we are compressing the signals and then modulate and transmit. At receiver side we receive the signal, demodulate them, and then after decompress it. And we are studying in this chapter is different formats of compression. And next is your digital transmitter and receivers. In this we are studied about DTS systems, satellite televisions, or in this chapter we are transmitter and receiver both work started how it is start to end more this chapter. We all have understood what is GDS systems at our data system, which receive from satellite and come from directly to your home. Other name of this is direct to home. Next is digital transmitter receivers, how DTA system is work and receivers work. Next is CCTVs and CCTV with optical fiber. You know that what is optical fiber? Optical fiber is a fiber in which the light signal is traveled. In whole world, the fastest data transfer is optical data transfer. So the maximum bandwidth are required for, or there is minimum loss in optical fiber systems. Next is DWTV, DWTVs. This basic topics we are studied in digital television transmitter and receiver, fifth chapter. After that, next is your LCD TV, plasma television. This chapter will discuss about what is LCD TV, how matrix is formed, how LCD TV is formed, and how it's works. Because it works upon there is no liquid in your LCD TV. There are rumors from there is liquid in LCD TV. There are no liquid in LCD TV. There is just like a resistor with the help of electronic switches, the crystallized twist or crystallized straight line. If the crystalline twist, the backlight come at in the front of display. If the crystal straight line, there are no backlight from back to front. So very differentiate from black and white. So by this basic method, the television LCD is formed. After that, we are studied about the plasma television system, their signal processing and receiving. Next is we're discussing about LCD TVs, three color receivers platform. Next is LED TVs and LED TVs. Comparison between plasma television and LED TVs. That all are studied in this chapter. We are studied from LCD to LED. Or plasma, LED, LCD, we all television are studied in this chapter. This is most important chapter of your syllabus. और next is your after last chapter हमारे पास television home theater systems और आपके projection display system, इनके बारे में basic introduction है. Just चैप्टर का नाम है, दो टॉपिक है इसके अंदर, बच्चे projection display system और television home theater system के बारे में basic information है कि क्या चीज है, किस तरीके से हमारा वर्क. जो हमारे पास ये सिक्स चैप्टर है, ये हमारा आपका फिफ्थ चैप्टर और ये हमारा फोर्थ चैप्टर, ये हमारा न्यू डाला हुआ है आपके सिलेबस के अंदर. लास्ट ईयर जो था हमारे पास यहाँ तक था, इसके बाद हमारे पास ये चैप्टर डाला हुआ था इन्होंने एलईडी टीवी, एलसीडी टीवी का. और नेक्स्ट चैप्टर हमारे पास क्या था, हमारे पास डीटीएच सिस्टम और केबल टीवी नेटवर्क. और जो न्यू सिलेबस है, जो आपके करिकुलम में सिलेबस है, उसके अंदर हमारे पास ये फोर्थ चैप्टर, ये न्यू एडअप किया हमने कंप्रेशन का, और प्लस हमारे पास ये फिफ्थ चैप्टर हमने ऐड किया. इसमें जस्ट एक टॉपिक ही डाला डिजिटल, बाकी ये जो हमारा सीसीटीवी है आपके पास, ऑप्टिकल फाइबर का है, वो चीज हमारी सारी न्यू है, नए सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग है. और ये प्लाज्मा टेलीविजन भी पिछली बार नहीं था, ये भी इसमें ऐड किया है न्यू सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंग. इसका मतलब क्या है, ये चीज हमारी इंपॉर्टेंट है और हमारी चांसेस है आपके एग्जाम में इस चीज में ज्यादा आने के. ये हमारे बेसिक पार्ट से क्या क्या चीजें हमें स्टडी करनी है, चैप्टर वाइज हर एक चैप्टर में हमने क्या क्या स्टडी करना है. बेसिक क्या है, जो हमारा ऑडियो वीडियो सिस्टम के अंदर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जो जूमर आइटम्स हैं, जस्ट हमारे पास आपका माइक्रोफोन्स कौन से होते हैं वो स्टडी करेंगे हम, लाउड स्पीकर क्या चीजें होती है, हमारा पीए सिस्टम क्या होता है हमारे पास, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट टेलीविजन क्या था, कलर टेलीविजन कैसे हमारा वर्क करता है, एलईडी क्या चीज है, एलसीडी क्या है, प्लाज्मा टेलीविजन क्या चीज है हमारे पास, होम थिएटर सिस्टम कैसे वर्क करता है हमारे पास, ये चीजें सारी हमारी स्टडी होंगी आपके पास आपके ऑडियो वीडियो सिस्टम सब्जेक्ट्स के, ठीक है जी। और नेक्स्ट हमारे पास क्या है कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, किस तरह से हमारे पास मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैप्टर के अकॉर्डिंगली हमारा बोर्ड ने प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है। तो फर्स्ट चैप्टर हमारे पास अप्रोक्सीमेटली 12% हमारा एग्जाम से अंदर आता है, सेकंड चैप्टर के अंदर 10% के हिसाब से आएगा, थर्ड चैप्टर में 20% आएगा, फोर्थ चैप्टर के अंदर 10% आएगा, जो फिफ्थ और सिक्स चैप्टर जो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ जो नए चैप्टर हमने ऐड किए हैं उसमें हमारे पास 22% हमारे पास एड अप होगा, और लास्ट चैप्टर में हमारे पास 4% का आपके फाइनल एग्जाम में नजर आया। जो लास्ट टाइम का कैलकुलम था उसके अंदर क्या था, हमारा जो थर्ड चैप्टर था वो थर्ड चैप्टर ही हमारा 50% का थर्ड चैप्टर बना रहा था, ठीक है। जो हमारा एनालॉग और जो हमारा मोनोक्रोम और कलर टेलीविजन के बीच में था वो एक था 50% का। अब इन जो नए सिलेबस के अकॉर्डिंगली उसमें क्या हुआ है, चैप्टर सिलेबस हमारा इंक्रीज कर दिया और मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन भी हमारी बढ़ा दी गई। जैसे फिफ्थ से चैप्टर हमारा नया डाला हुआ है तो इससे हमने 22% हमने इसमें मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बोली हुई, ठीक है जी। ये आपका बेसिक था कि किस तरीके से हमारे पास जर्नल पीपीटी थी, हमारे पास आपकी ऑडियो वीडियो सिस्टम्स थी, और मास डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन किस तरीके से हमारा फाइनल पेपर आपका सेटअप किया जाएगा, ठीक है जी। किसी को कुछ डाउट हो तो आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं, कॉल कर सकते हैं या मेल कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।